Hello, my name is Frank Latino, and I am a global product manager in the business unit Electric Automation for Festo. Festo is a global manufacturer of industrial automation controls and systems, process automation systems, and also industrial training systems. We offer a full suite of solutions for pneumatic and electromechanical motion, process automation, and again, as I mentioned before, also training equipment. We're a world leader in smart pneumatic motion, smart pneumatic devices. So this includes integration of electronics and software with pneumatic control, monitoring, and also motion. This includes network technologies also such as Ethernet IP and IO Link. So I would say Festo is well prepared for IIoT or digitalization or the Internet of Things, whatever you'd like to call it. Our domain expertise covers automation technology, embedded systems development, and also analytics with AI, artificial intelligence. So together, we offer products and services that are really unparalleled solutions for improving customers' OEE, maintenance decisions, and also quality and safety. We have new products in process automation and factory automation that utilize HART technology, IO Link technology, and all over Ethernet IP. We have new safety solutions for valve terminals. We have improved access to data from some of our pneumatic devices using technologies such as Rockwell's Factory Talk Edge Gateway. And we also have AI solutions for pneumatic systems.